What is up, guys? Another sites. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a music and video by Canva. So first, you need to head over to your Canva's website, and then when you're redirected to the home page, here you need to click on video. After clicking on video, here you have multiple options to input your video if you have any in your PC storage. But if you don't have any video, you can choose any of the pre-built video templates from Canva by just simply clicking on it once. After clicking on it once, here on the new page, you will see the video, and from here you can edit it. Now to edit the video, on the left side you will see multiple editing tools, and from here you need to click on apps. After clicking on apps, you need to scroll down a bit until you see the audio section. Click on this audio section, and from here, if you want to access the free music, click on music free to access all the free audio tags which are available on Canva for free. So let's say I want this audio tag. I'll click on this once to add this audio track to my timeline. As you can see, the audio track has been added. So this is how you can add an audio to video by Canva. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.